This LED display features a standard cabinet unit measuring 960 by 960 millimeters. With a slim profile of just 90 millimeters in thickness and a lightweight design of 27.5 kilograms per cabinet, it strikes an optimal balance between structural integrity and ease of installation. The cabinet base incorporates a dedicated cable routing channel to prevent wiring from being damaged by prolonged exposure to the external environment, a meticulous detail that exemplifies the product's high standard of craftsmanship. In terms of installation and maintenance, the product supports dual-direction servicing, both front and rear access. This allows for rapid completion of maintenance tasks without the need for complex tools, significantly reducing construction time and troubleshooting duration, thereby truly saving both time and effort. Regarding core display performance, the screen boasts a brightness level exceeding 8,000 plus nits. Coupled with an exceptional refresh rate and superior grayscale performance, it delivers vivid colors and crystal clear imagery even under direct sunlight, ensuring uncompromised visual quality regardless of ambient lighting conditions. The display modules feature fully sealed aluminum back shells. Internally, traditional cables have been replaced by a wireless hard connection architecture for more stable signal transmission. Furthermore, rigorous high and low temperature testing validates the system's durability, ensuring the longevity of the entire unit. Energy-saving technology stands as a key highlight of this product. Through a dynamic intelligent adjustment system, precise driving voltages, specifically 2.8V and 3.8V, are applied independently to the red, green, and blue LED beads. Compared to conventional 5V power supply schemes, this approach reduces power consumption by 30% and significantly minimizes heat generation. This is complemented by a die-cast aluminum cabinet, a modular structure, and the use of thermal silicone gel between the power supply and its housing, creating a highly efficient passive cooling system that allows the entire screen to operate without the need for external air conditioning. The product achieves an IP65 plus protection rating. Its fully sealed modules, integrated with die-cast power supply units and reinforced by double-layer waterproof sealing rings, effectively prevent the ingress of water and dust. Additionally, it holds a 5 VB fire resistance rating and EMC Class A electromagnetic compatibility certification, meeting stringent safety and stability requirements for operation in harsh environments.